From cloud computing, to the rollout of 5G, to AI, and the streaming of everything. Major companies are investing millions into data centers and digital infrastructure, and those who service it are poised for significant growth. DirectLine Global is a leading global technology services company providing forward-thinking design, integration, installation, maintenance, and managed services for mission-critical environments. We are at the forefront of the technology revolution. For over 25 years, we have been helping data center owners, developers, and operators with their IT infrastructure challenges. We have a reputation for precision, and our workmanship sets us apart in the industry.
DirectLine, foremost as a technology services company, is committed to our people, our clients, and the community in which we operate. We've built a robust people strategy to ensure we can recruit, train, develop, and grow our people to meet the increasing demands of the industry we serve.
Co-headquartered in Fremont, California and Ashburn, Virginia in the U.S., DirectLine operates 6 offices with state-of-the-art training facilities and warehousing. Our global operations include offices in 4 countries, some with warehousing and training facilities across Asia-Pacific and a strategic presence in Europe. As technology evolves and the need for data centers continues to explode, DirectLine's highly skilled workforce are pivotal partners to design, build, and install mission-critical IT infrastructure with your business growth in mind.